A dozen Yonkers residents are filing a lawsuit to challenge the city council's decision to extend those term limits to its members and the mayor of the state's third largest city.
And News 12's Jonathan Gordon is outside City Hall tonight. And Jonathan, what is at the heart of this filing?
Well, the group says that decision to extend term limits should be overturned because the city council and the mayor allegedly violated the city's charter.
Let the people vote. That's all we're asking for.
Yonkers residents Keisha Skipper and Frank Coleman are two of the dozen plaintiffs who filed the lawsuit. The group claims council members and the mayor violated the city charter ethics code when they voted and signed the term limit legislation by potentially financially benefiting down the line with the possibility of serving more terms.
To take that away after all that we have done and had to sacrifice to have the opportunity to vote, it's shameful.
They want a judge to invalidate the law and mandate a referendum vote next year.
We will not stand idly by while our civil and human rights are violated.
We believe this question could come up following the council's 4-3 vote on November 22nd. And a week before the lawsuit on December 4th, we asked Democratic Majority Leader Tasha Diaz, who voted yes, and Republican Councilman Anthony Morante, who voted no, to extend term limits about the issue at the core of this lawsuit.
But do either of you believe that there is any optical issue with council members voting on legislation that ultimately could benefit yourselves down the line?
We are elected to, at sometimes, be able to take the executive decision.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Diaz declined to comment tonight. And the city is responding tonight. City Corporation Counsel Matthew Gallagher tells us in a statement there is no merit to the filing. The Yonkers term limits were properly amended by local law and no mandatory referendum was required. Nikita?
All right, Jonathan, and what's next for this case?
Well, the plaintiffs and their attorney are expected to be here on Thursday at noon to further discuss next steps in the lawsuit. In Yonkers, Jonathan Gordon, News 12.